Samsung wants to fix your expensive phone addiction with the A36. The Galaxy A36 offers budget-friendly quality at $399, challenging the notion that cheaper means inferior. Launching today, it's like a friend making Target clothes look designer without spending a fortune, highlighting its appeal for value-conscious consumers. The Galaxy A36 flaunts a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display, Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 chip, and a 50-megapixel camera with optical image stabilization. It offers 6 years of OS and security updates, matching its S-series siblings in camera excellence for just $399. The A36 may lack the S25's AI features and advanced camera system, but it excels in battery life. Its 5,000 mAh battery and efficient processor allow extended use, unlike the S25's power-hungry components. Enjoy uninterrupted scrolling while others search for outlets. Samsung enhances the Galaxy A36's launch with enticing offers. Trade in your old phone for up to $150 credit. Purchase the A36 for $399 and enjoy 50% off Galaxy Buds FE and Fit 3. This value-focused strategy offers satisfaction without financial strain,